day, plenty of dogs die because no one adopts them. Makes me really sad.
What's your opinion on animals dying in the shelter from no one adopting them?
My opinion is that the animals should not have to pay the price for irresponsible owners, and it really saddens me that they have to lose their life because humans can't get it together. So I think we need stricter laws on those types of things, holding adults accountable for animals' lives.
Adopt one today. Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today.
Adopt one today. Oh, adopting him?
Adopt one today. Oh, I forgot. Adopt one today.
Huh? You mean like a puppy? Oh, adopting him? Adopt one today.
Stop it. Okay, go away. Stop.